What's going on, gaming fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best 60% gaming keyboards in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these keyboards, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comment section for us. The first 60% keyboard we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, is the glorious Modular 60% gaming keyboard. Coming up next, in our number 4 spot, we've got the HK Gaming GK61 60% mechanical keyboard. Next up at number 3, we've got the E-Element Z88 60% RGB gaming keyboard. Are you enjoying our product suggestions so far? If so, go ahead and hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Coming up next at number 2, we've got the DIERYA 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Razer Huntsman Mini 60% gaming keyboard. Alright, gaming fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comment section which 60% keyboard you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more tech videos just like this one.